Ever wonder what really happens when you click a link? Let's pull back the curtain on that invisible journey. Believe it or not, ordering food and loading a website are almost the same thing. Let me show you. Okay, so picture this. You're the customer in a restaurant, and you know exactly what you want. Your browser, Chrome or Safari, that's your waiter, ready to take your order. And the kitchen, that's the server. It's where everything is stored and prepared. So when you type in a web address, your waiter rushes your order to the kitchen. A server is just a powerful computer whose entire job is to serve up information when asked. So the kitchen gets busy grubbing all the ingredients, the text, the code, the images. But here's the thing. This meal doesn't arrive all at once. It's sent out in a specific order. It all happens in 3 key stages: structure, style, and content. First, you get the structure. Think of this as the plate and the main dish. It's the skeleton. Then comes the style. This is like the presentation and the sauces, all the colors and fonts. And last, the content arrives. These are the images and decorations that finish the plate. Your browser gets all these pieces and instantly assembles them right there on your screen. And it happens so fast, usually in less than a second, that you only see the final perfect page. So, why does all this matter to you? Well, the speed of this conversation is your experience. Fast communication means a smooth page load. Slow communication means you're stuck waiting around. Frustrating, right? At the end of the day, a great website is just like great service. Fast, reliable, and seamless. Every single click you make kicks off this amazing high-speed process that spans the globe. So the next time you browse, just think, how many invisible kitchens are working just for you?
If you learned something new in this video, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.